Hello, little learners! It's the teaching ant. Let's learn and have fun. Today we're practicing CVC words. We're focusing on the short A sound, like A in apple. Let's practice reading short CVC words together. Cat, k, a, t, cat. The cat is on the mat. Bat, b, a, t, bat. The boy has a pet bat. Hat, h, a, t, hat. I wear a hat. Van, v, a, n, van. The man is in the van. Can, k, a, n, can. He has a can of tuna. Sad, s, a, d, sad. I am sad. Bag, b, a, g, bag. The bag is big. Rat, a, t, rat. The rat is in the hat. Ham, h, a, m, ham. The ham is in the pan. Jam, j, a, m, jam. She likes jam. Map, m, a, p, map. The map is in the bag. Your turn. Let's level up. Awesome reading! Please like, subscribe, and share. Let's play a game. Look at the picture. Point to the correct word on your screen. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you catch all the words? Good job! Now let's read full sentences. The cat naps on the mat. The cat naps on the mat. I see jam, ham, and a can. I see jam, ham, and a can. The bat is big. The bat is big. I am sad. I am sad. The map is in the bag. The map is in the bag. The ham is in the pan. The ham is in the pan. Your turn. Read the sentences on your own. You're doing great! Keep going! Were you able to read all the words? Good job! Let's play a game. Shout the correct word out loud. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you get all 10? You are awesome! Please like, subscribe, and share. Let's play a game. Look at the pictures carefully and choose the correct sentence. Pick the correct sentence by either clapping your hands or stomping your feet. Are you ready? Let's go! And the correct answer is... The rat is in the hat. And the correct answer is... The man is in the van. Good job! And the correct answer is... Pam likes jam. Let's keep going. And the correct answer is... The map is in the bag. Let's do one more. And the correct answer is... The man naps with a rat. Did you get all 5? You are awesome! Amazing work today! See you again! Bye!